was at home. Yeah, you called me. I thought that you said you were all alone. Look at you lying. You were somebody, so was I. And I thought you said we could never be friends. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We could never be friends. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We could never be friends. We could never be friends. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, when I put this song out,
Cliche!
they said I was out of my fucking mind. And I said,
We like you that way!
hey, that hurts my feelings. I'm just kidding. What I did was dance my way all the way to motherfucking Toronto, getting ready to put up the song. Sing it if you know it. Tell me what to wait for me. Baby, I'm a rolling stone. Got it all right in me. I wanna say this wrong. Tell me when to stay with me. Maybe we can make this wrong. You should run away with me, even if you're better off alone. I like that you like me. Hold up. I can kiss your lips, you got the taste. I like that you like me. Close my eyes and enjoy your face. If you take this chance, I'll give you oxygen to breathe me in, but I'll say sorry and dance. Oh, my head's a mess. It's like that every day, and I try my best. It's not cliche, but tell me what you wait for me. Baby, I'm a rolling stone. Got a little race in me, but I don't wanna say this song. Tell me what you say with me. Baby, we can make this song. You should run away with me, even if you're better off alone. His name is neon light in the sky when darkness surrounds us. Let's leave this town, get married, go to Vegas, and create nostalgia. Tell me, well, save this dance. Feel my knees get weak beneath me. I know this night might be our last. My head's a mess. It's like that every day, and I'll try my best. It sounds cliche, but tell me what you wait for me. Baby, I'm a rolling stone. I got a lot right in me, but I don't wanna say this wrong. Tell me what you stay with me. Baby, we can make this home. You should run away with me, even if you're not alone. Tell me what you wait for me. Tell me what you wait for me. Tell me what you wait for me. Baby, I'm a rolling stone. I got a lot of life in me. Are you having a good time? I don't wanna say this wrong. Tell me what you wait for me. Baby, I'm a rolling stone. Got a lot of life in me. I don't wanna say this wrong. Tell me what you wait for me. Baby, we can make this song. You should run away with me, even if you're not alone. Tell me what you wait for me. Tell me what you wait for me. Thank you, Toronto. Man, I woke up today and my voice was hurting so bad. I was not sure if I wanted to do this show. I'm so happy I said yes. I'm so happy you guys showed up. And I guess next time I see you, Lost Americano will be out. Then we got another album after that, and another album after that. So I'll see y'all soon.